Hi friends, welcome to Course Shikha. Usually when we create the Django project first time, we first only run the migrate command without running any make migrations command. So in this tutorial we will see what does the first migrate command run do without running any make migrations command. So friends, if you like this tutorial, please like this video and subscribe to the channel Course Shikha to get the new video updates first to you. Now let's start the tutorial. So this is the simple Django project I have created, and here I have one app, user app, and in its models.py file here I have one model person with the fields name and salary. So here in settings.py file I am going to use the default database, that is SQLite 3 for our project. So in install app section, these are the names of all Django's default apps up to static files which are included here by default by Django, and this is the my user app I have included. Okay, the first one, django.contrib.admin, is the app for admin side. The second, Django contrib auth, is the app for authentication system. Third, Django contrib content types is a framework for content types. Sessions is a session framework. Messages is a messaging framework, and static files, it is a framework for managing static files. So these applications are included by default for some common use, and some of these applications make use of at least one database table. So we need to create the tables in the database before we can use them. So to do that we need to run migrate command. So now let's run the migrate command. Here py manage.py migrate. This will take some time to create the database tables. Okay, the migrate command looks at the install app setting and creates any necessary database tables according to the database settings and the database migrations having in those apps, because those default apps have already database migrations. So it created the database tables for the app content types, for auth, for admin, again content type, again for auth, and also it created the table for sessions app. You can see here. Okay, so it created the database tables for all default apps included in the install app section. Now let's run the show migrations command that will show which migrations have been applied. Here I will run py manage.py show migrations. Okay, you can see here the above migrate command created database tables for admin app, for auth app. This cross sign indicates that the migrations have been applied. And next, for content types, sessions, it applied the migrations. So for user app it didn't apply the migrations because we don't have migrations for the app. If we already have the migrations for the user app, then those will have applied in the above migrate command. So for the user app, first we need to create the SQL query for its models using make migrations command. So let's run the command py manage.py make migrations user app. Now let's apply the migrations using migrate command. So I will type here py manage.py migrate user app. Okay, so now we have created the database tables for the user apps model person. So let's see that by running again the show migrations command. Here I will run the command show migrations. Okay, you can see here now we have created the database tables for the user app also. So friends, in this tutorial you have seen that by running the first migrate command without running any make migrations command creates the database tables for the Django's default applications included in install app section. So friends, if you like this tutorial, please like this video and subscribe to the channel Code Shikha to get the new video updates first to you. And your likes and subscribes motivates me to do more videos. So friends, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Now I will meet in the next tutorial with a new topic. Bye bye.